Right.
I remember Back to the Future. We made a few of those, trying to just, being kids, figuring it out. I was always fascinated with how did they get the credits on the screen? And I couldn't, because, I didn't have any edit software. It was like you have the tape, you rewind it back if you make a mistake and you start from, that was my editing. So I remember at a really young age taking my grandmother's typewriter and me and my mom taking a paper towel roll and typing up the credits and putting it on there and then filming the paper towel roll and pulling it so you can see the credits kind of roll. And then I went to high school and I ran my television studio. We had a television studio there. And I became the lead anchor and I did a lot of content shooting with teachers and students. And then, went to college for television and film and I got a minor in business